Hello guys, I'm back. Well, this is my find. A couple of shotgun shells, loaded shotgun shells, another 9mm, a 223, a 22, and this is metal. It looks like brass, but it really isn't. It's metal. So you got to be real close to look at. I'll show you more about this when I get home. Right now, I'm gonna shoot off a couple of rounds that I found out here the other day. Right in here. That's just the stuff I found. Oh, that's just to blow my nose. Don't worry about it. That's toilet paper, but I'll use that to blow my nose. Oh yeah. And of course, I put it all in my pocket, but I found this much empty shell casings. What the hell is that? Oh, it's trash. And it might take me a little bit, but of all kinds, I found my share. I usually carry the bucket, but there's nobody out here yet, so that's good. You know, I found what I could find. I didn't find as much out here as I did at the other range. So that's kind of strange, but at least I found something. Well, that's it. That's all I found out here. Now, I'm going to put my earplugs in, and I'm going to pull out something to get this last video, a bang. I'm going to take out my 9mm, and I'm going to pop off a couple of these rounds here that I found out here that have been fired before, so they may not all fire. The night before I found these, I've had them for a while, and I just want to see if they still shoot. So, just a box I put them in, and let's see, how am I gonna do this? I don't know. This probably gives away where I'm at. I don't know. I don't care. I'm just gonna shoot. These are the rounds. I don't know, you can't see me, but these are the rounds here that I found. I don't know if you can really see them all. They have all been fired. So, and these are steel jacket. Some haven't been fired. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop off a few rounds. And kind of see how it goes. So these, I'm not going to fire these. These are my hollow points. These are for self-defense. I'm not shooting these off. These are expensive. I don't know if you could see me or not, but make sure that this is unloaded. Yeah, it's unloaded. It's a safe gun. I'm gonna go ahead. This might fire, and they may not. So it looks like they have been tapped by the primer. I mean, the primer was tapped by the firing pin. So I don't know. We'll see if these go off or not. Hopefully they do. I want to make this last video with a bang. So I'm going to go ahead and put 10 rounds in this thing. And I think that's exactly 10 rounds in here. And we'll go from there. Yeah, that's 10 rounds. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and pick up the camera. I'm going to pick up the camera and just aim at, find something out here to shoot at. No one's out here yet, so. Let's see. That pumpkin there, that old pumpkin. See if it shoots. Ready? Here we go. Nope. That didn't fire. Oh, man. Oh, I'll come back. I'm going to pause this. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let's see if this one goes off. Come on, go off. At least once. There we go. Oh, that one didn't go off. I'll be back. I'm back. Let's see if I can hit that pumpkin. Hopefully it goes off. Yep. Let's see if the next one goes off. Yep. And the next one. Yep. Oh, that one didn't go off. Let me pause this. Alrighty, I'm back again. Same clip, same bullet. Different bullet, I mean. Yeah. Oh, that was a different round. And she's clear. Okay. Well, that was interesting. I'll be back with another video of me shooting some more rounds here. Well, this video. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. Now, I'm gonna go right back to the spot where I was. I'm about, I don't know, 10 feet away from it, so I can't miss. Now, these, I doubt they're gonna fire, but the first one might. No. I doubt this is gonna fire. Oh, man, that does fire. Ooh, I should have kept these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I hit it finally. 7, 8, 9. 9 rounds. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. By the way, this is a Glock 26. This is my side piece. That's what I carry with me all the time. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did. Let's see what the damage it was. Let's see what damage I did. Boy, I really destroyed that pumpkin the last few rounds. Man. Yep. Well, you guys take it easy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. And share. Okay, take it easy. Bye.